Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Google account with Google Beginner Guide step by step clearly. To begin recovering your Google account, open your web browser. Type in the URL www.google.com. Once on the Google homepage, locate and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. On the Sign In page, click on Forgot Email or Forgot Password, depending on your situation. If you clicked on Forgot Email, enter your recovery phone number or email address tied to your account. Then, click on Next. Google will send a verification code to your recovery phone or email. Check your device for the code and enter it in the provided field. If you're recovering your password, simply provide the email address and click on Next. If you need to reset your password, enter the new password you wish to use. Make sure your new password is strong and secure, then click on Next. Follow any additional prompts or security questions you may be asked. Once you successfully reset your password, you'll have access to your account. If you've lost access to your recovery email or phone, click on Try Another Way after entering your email. Follow the given instructions for alternate recovery options. If prompted, answer questions that help confirm your identity. You may also need to enter the last password you remember. After verifying your identity, follow the on-screen steps to regain access. Keep in mind, account recovery may take some time. If these methods do not work, consider visiting the Google Account Help Center for further assistance. Stay patient and follow the instructions carefully, as this process is designed to secure your information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.